The Cianjur earthquake occurred today, Monday, November 21st, 2022, at 13.21 WIB. The earthquake that occurred this afternoon felt so strong that it shook the DKI Jakarta area and its surroundings. The most recent earthquake occurred at 13.21 WIB, Monday, November 21st, 2022. The earthquake was centered 10 kilometers southwest of Cianjur Regency, West Java, with an earthquake depth of 10 kilometers. The point of the earthquake was at 6.8 for south latitude and 107.05 east longitude. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency (BMKG) said that the earthquake had no potential for a tsunami. No potential for a tsunami, wrote the MKG, Monday the 21st of November 2022. The earthquake centered in Cianjur Regency today has a magnitude M of 5.6. Today's earthquake shocks were felt strong to the DKI Jakarta area and its surroundings. Apart from Jakarta, the earthquake was also felt in Sukabumi, Bogor, Bandung and Depok. Residents in several areas reported feeling the earthquake. In Jakarta, residents in South Jakarta, West Jakarta, and Central Jakarta felt a strong vibration for several seconds. In Central Jakarta, it feels cramped, said a resident. Apart from that, the earthquake, centered in Cianjur Regency, was also felt in various places, such as the Depok Growing Flower Hospital, the Polda Metro Jaya, and the South Jakarta District Court, the DPR Building in Central Jakarta, the Jakarta City Hall, and the IPB Bogor Campus. There are now 268 people who have died from the 268 who have identified 122 bodies, and the missing as many as 151 people. It was stated that 1,083 people were injured as a result of the earthquake. Meanwhile, there were 58,362 people who were displaced in various areas in Cianjur Regency and its surroundings. According to BNPB, currently there are 22,198 houses with severe, moderate, or light damage.